you thinking?
I'm thinking there's a lot of work to do. I absolutely love the site, and I adore the footprint of it, which is essentially why I bought it. But there is a lot of work to do to get it to become Rosina. But that's what we do, right? That's our stock and trade. That's the bit we love. And I think this is my talent ultimately, is seeing the potential of a space, visualizing what that's going to become. I love that about restaurants. And I absolutely love this space. There's so many things I can do with it. It's such a beautiful space. I'm thinking I want the food to be really light, a super feminine restaurant, the muslin cloth, the light, lemon trees, loads of salads, loads of vegetable dishes. Just somewhere that if you were local, this is where you would want to come and just have a really simple, beautiful meal and delivering it in a beautiful space with amazing people. There's an opportunity, I think, to go to Italy with the head chef from here, with my daughter, who's going to be a big part of this, bring some of my team. Are you coming running with me? Because we are going to do a day where everyone goes for a run together. It's going to be really cool.
No.
And I think if we start at the top of Italy, work our way all the way down, we meet some incredible producers. Thank you very much. We get under the skin of what makes Italian food as convivial and hospitality driven as it is. Papa, Mama,
Sei contento? Sì.
And just really understand that produce and keep it. I want this to be simple, but there's skill and there's detail in simplicity, and I think we have to get under the skin of that. That is al dente. And that starts with finding the producers. We've got to find the right producers for this, the right wines, and I think spending a good amount of time embedded in that culture is going to give me that little head start, that little inspiration piece that I really want to be able to land that on the plate here. And it all starts with produce. So what better than get out of here, get into the sunshine and go discover. So we're going to see Cristina at Riso Buono. She messaged me and came to see me at Brown's Hotel, and the story she told me about her rice and how she produced the rice was absolutely incredible. In fact, so incredible that I'd say it's driven this whole trip. It's one of the reasons I've travelled all the way out here to Milan to see her. I don't have risotto on any menus in any of my restaurants. And the reason is that I just won't do this half-cooked risotto, put it in the fridge, pull it out and finish the risotto in the service. I just don't like it. It's just a personal thing to me. I think a risotto has to be cooked from scratch when you order it. But to do that, you need a good 30 minutes. It's probably more like 35, 40 sometimes. So 30 minutes you need, and most people won't wait 30 minutes for a risotto. But in Rosina, for me, there has to be a risotto on the menu. Something that you really, really taste the rice, really work with the emotion of it, and there's a one-dimensional, simple flavour. And that's why we need the very best rice, and that, I think, is with Cristina.
Oh, I can see you. Yeah, we're in the big van.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you. So strange.
I came here.
Yes, we
can't
did
believe-
it.
I can't
You
believe-
promised and you did it.
And this journey is about positioning this restaurant with authenticity. It's about positioning the suppliers front and center of the restaurant, giving innovation and creativity to the dishes that is unique to Rosina. And what makes your rice the very best? What is it that makes it?
Okay, first of all, carnaroli classico. So, real seeds of carnaroli. Second, the asking process. I'm not asking, no,
Husking.
like, yes,
Okay.
bleaching. I don't want the bleach rice like white.
Yeah.
You lose all the organoleptic value to your grain because you bleach too much.
Yeah.
And second, when you cook it, it will overcook. So we'll do the vermicello, we call like a small, on the surface, and then internal will be very al dente, so too much. So it's not, you don't have the
So for the
homogeneity.
even cooking.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
this is what, so second. Third thing is the aging. So for example, now you are eating last year rice. From September, you will eat this year rice. It takes 1 year to have the homogeneity of humidity, of migraine, to do the perfect risotto.
Wow. 1 year. What does that year do? What happens to the
1
rice
year
grain?
is, migraine will close itself,
That
maintain the
makes
starch
perfect sense.
inside.
Hold the starch,
Yes,
yeah.
and then release the starch naturally
When I cook.
when you cooked.
Okay, so if you pick the rice now and I cook, the starch comes straight out.
Yes, straight out, and all the grains are the same, no? Because they don't have.
different.
Yeah.
Makes so much sense.
Yeah.
The last but not the least is the broken part of the rice. Usually, normal rice, even like quality rice, has 30% of broken part of rice.
that makes sense.
Yeah, when I make
I didn't know this part. Yeah.
and you know that when you cook the rice, the broken part they will cook before than
Yes.
the whole grain
Yes.
of rice.
Because
Yes.
the water.
Smaller.
Equally, the risotto is not homogeneous. There does not have any homogeneity on
Yeah.
risotto. So when I'm doing this, usually, I don't know if it's happened, I don't have a broken part who falling down in my. No, you see, I can show you. The fact is very difficult to show this to the students because you see nothing. Okay, now you ask me, okay, which one is the broken part? I take another rice, for example. Let's take this one that is not mine. Let's do it here. Okay, this is one broken part, but it's just one. You see this broken part.
Yeah.
And then all the grain, this is broken, for example, half. This is almost all broken.
And that's normal. That's going to be normal in commercial rice.
Yes,
right?
yes, but you don't have this, no?
That's the difference. That makes
Yes,
so
so
much
this
sense.
more, this one.
Cool stuff, Literally, your brain is stuff.
Boom. Unbelievable, huh?
All stuff.
Savi, we're going to make some risotto in a minute.
Oh yeah.
So you just need to dice some shallots and celery.
For sure. I can feel the pressure, Jack.
I don't know if he's gonna do stock as well. Let me ask maybe. I got all these streamers, is why I'm saving them to make a stock, like a veg stock.
The oil.
I'm going to use them. I'm going to use it after with the rice. I'll show you.
Okay.
Okay, Savi, what we got? We got
So-
onion, celery.
I got onion. You want to dice some celery as well?
Yeah.
No problem. I put on a veg stock there with some shrimps. Chef, why you don't do the rice there? In the copper one? Why you don't do the rice there?
This one?
I think so.
Beautiful, more beautiful than the other
Yeah,
one.
more beautiful, yeah.
Yeah, so that's why I say if you want, you can do it there.
Yeah, I think that's a very good idea.
Nico Romito usa il mio
Nico.
riso, Heinz.
Do you have a little bit of vino bianco? This one. And then we need to find something to serve it on.
Yes.
Just
yeah,
a
I
very-
have a look for a sieve, so you can use the stock for the riso.
Rice is going to go. You will hear the rice. When the rice opens, you stop
Hold it.
can go inside.
The moisturizer.
If you start now,
Doesn't toast properly.
it drown in the water. It's drowning. You're boiling the rice. God, I can't believe I'm in Milan cooking risotto
Yeah.
in your house. It's so
So
special.
great.
It feels so special. It's so special. I feel privileged, you know?
And you're doing like so easy that for me it's like a pleasure to see you doing this.
This is-
Everyone has a different techniques to do the
just got the
risotto.
oil.
So some people like to toast before 2 minutes. Some people doesn't like to toast it. Some people like to add the wine. Some people doesn't. It's a really usually
personal.
yeah.
Wine fast. Wine fast. Okay.
I don't have to explain anything because like he already knows everything. I'm doing this, and this is
The most important, you can't leave alone. You can't go to make some tea.
If you're doing rice, you do just rice. It's called risottare,
yes.
which means like you put the stock slowly. As soon as you get dry, you add more. You get dry, add more.
Yeah.
That's called risottare.
Look at that. It's not sticking.
No.
It's beautiful, no problem. And we're just working the starch in. Wow, beautiful. Look at that. So the benefit of this rice is the way you harvest the rice. First is a cannoli rice. Then is the harvesting of the rice.
Not too bleach, not too white.
Not too bleached, not too white. The aging of the rice, minimum 1 year.
1 year, yes.
To close.
To close. And release the starch slowly when you're doing your risotto.
And then the sieve.
Last things, the broken part of the rice. Remove all the broken part of the rice from your
So
packaging. So
only we have.
perfect grain.
Yeah, a long way away, but yeah, we're good. So good to try now because you.
Yeah, you feel it when it's ready and when it's not ready.
It's not chalky. Look at that.
One and pecorino.
Pecorino, no? Unbelievable pecorino.
Good, huh? Do just a risotto like a cacio e pepe or parmesan risotto, and I say I bring it both.
God, that's amazing.
Good. Yeah. I take
This
for
parmesan is amazing. With Rosina, the restaurant, I want the best produce and I want to do minimal intervention.
And this is the force of Italy, no? That we have such many products that you can choose for every recipe which product do you like more,
Yeah.
which one is the best for you. As I said before, no, it's the best for recipes. Okay. That is the goal of my rice.
Very close, chef.
Okay, let's come
You
off.
don't-
Can we go here? Yeah. Okay, we're going to come off. Savi, what I want to do, put just a little bit of that stock.
think this is
Bring a little bit of
Parmesan.
that stock. This Parmigiano?
No.
Or should I use this as well? Or this? What's this one?
Sì, parmigiano. And this is pecorino.
Good Lord, that looks amazing. The bottle. I'm going to put a little bit more of this just to make sure it stays wet. Where's the butter, please? I don't like to mix, I like to put everything. That's perfect. Pass me that Maurice over there, Sabi. Now I think you need to be very, very gentle with the rice. And you fold like a souffle, you know? Can you take this pan away from me? I want this cloth. Yeah. Now we fold like a souffle, you know? Sorry. Ah, look. Starts to hold, you know? And you got a little bit of that Parmesan in there. You got a spoon, I can just try it, so. Good Lord.
I like your space. I like his face because he's very proud and he said, "Oh, I did it. It's done. It's
Oh
done."
my God.
So,
Oh, it makes me emotional when
yeah,
you
I
make
know,
food.
I know.
That is that good.
I know.
And that's not to do with me, it's the product.
Yeah.
You
And
know.
you and the product. Let's say.
Those eggs, Rose, the dark eggs.
Maybe someone wants.
Just take the yolk out for me. A little bit Parmesan. That for me is just the expression of how it's supposed to be. Nothing clever. Nothing, just produce.
Perfetto. We say perfetto. Which one you want me to try? This one.
This one.
Oh. We say buono like this. Buono.
Riso Buono.
This one is buono. Like this. Yes. Buonissimo. Very good. Bravo chef.
So good.
Super simple, super delicious. Like, what you don't ask anything else.
If somebody served that, if somebody made that for you in a restaurant and served that to you, you would feel so loved. Remember what I said? 30 minutes. That is a proper risotto.
Ow.
Everybody dig in. I think with the egg is going to be. Look, let's make some more with the egg, Savi. Can you make 3 more with the egg? Mega. With,
Oh, is it?
with the egg. Is
Really? And just we take it from there? Just 1 minute? I want to taste it with the head.
They make. Look how.
Sorry.
Also, if you.
Buono.
I will. If you look how deep the yolk is.
Yeah. Because this is
happy
leva.
now.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's why.
Darker yolk,
Wild,
happier yolk.
wild.
Wild.
Good Lord. Oh, thank you so much.
Bene.
That was so cool. Oh, I love
So nice,
I
huh?
love that so
Yeah.
much. I mean, what an incredible first day. I don't think I look like absolute shit. I don't think I would expect to be that tired after day 1. But you know what? We have done a lot, covered a lot of bases, and answered a lot of questions that were already looming. So I'm absolutely chuffed to bits with day 1. To make it out here, we've got the van, we've travelled, we've flown into Milan, we've driven from Milan into Riso Buono and met Cristina, which was incredible. She's just like super infectious. She's got energy bursting. She's built a brand, and she's taken one of the most humble ingredients in the world and made it the best in the world. And we got under the skin of that today to truly understand it. This is like one product of 1,000 we're going to use. So it feels almost a bit crazy to zone in and really, really dial in so harsh on one single line product when actually we've got thousands of products. But it's so much more than that. It's so much more than the sum of its parts. It's about understanding why that product is the best in the world. Why is it as good as it does? Why does it perform like it does in the pan? Why does it deliver a product like that? Today I made probably the best risotto of my life, purely because the risotto rice was at a whole other level. The part that I really felt was lovely, Jack, was we saw these wild chickens she's got growing. Rosie got some eggs out, and they were just like the most incredible dark eggs, like the St. Hughes eggs we use at home, work. So we just cracked one of those yolks and popped it in the middle of the risotto, and then as you eat the risotto with the salty Parmesan, you sort of blend the yolk into it. I love that. I've done it with a steak tartare. I've never done that with a risotto. I don't think I've seen it. I might have seen it, I don't know, but certainly felt like an original thing today. And I absolutely loved it. I thought it was delicious. And I am going to serve that risotto with that egg yolk like that in Rosina.
Have you seen the oldest?
Amazing.
This is the oldest.
just incredible.
March 2015.
This is one of the